You just need to show up every single day, whether you feel like it or not. Show Monday, you feel me? Start of the new trading week. Let's get it. Let's have a great ass week. Trading week. Let's get it, bro. And good morning as well. So it's currently like 8 a.m. Hold on, let me check. This is my other phone. I could check it. Yeah. 8:14, you feel me? So you know the daily routine. I'm gonna go for a walk. Yeah. And probably go to the store and buy something. And then I'm coming back home. And 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, the New York Stock Exchange will open. So I will trade then. Obviously, in my country's time, it's like later in the day, a little bit later in the day. So currently it's 8 a.m. in my country's time. But 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, the markets will open and I will trade. So yeah, man, let's see what's good. Last week was super profitable the week before. But let's be honest, I don't remember when was the last time we had a losing week. So let's get it, okay? But doesn't really matter what happened last week. Now we're here, okay? Now we're here. So let's focus on this moment, all right? So I'm gonna go outside now. All right, man, I'm out here. So I'm gonna go home really soon, but came here for a little walk. Very beautiful, right? But I want to talk to you about something, bro. You need to be a lifelong student. You need to have the mindset of a lifelong student, okay? Never quit learning. Because you have to understand how much knowledge there is out there, okay? I cannot stress this enough. You need to just think about it, bro. So many ways that you can develop as a human in every single way. Just trust me, okay, with this one, okay? Just don't take my word for it, okay? Every single multi-millionaire says this, every single billionaire says this, okay? There's just so much things you can do to develop, okay? That's how it goes, man. But just believe you can work and just be you, okay? And don't care what other people think. I mean, just look at me, bro. I'm just out here, public place, recording myself. But the thing here is, I know that this is valuable, so I'm gonna do it regardless. You just need to show up every single day, whether you feel like it or not. Just develop. And I think it would be a disgrace if you wouldn't try your best to achieve in your goals, because I think it's the greatest way to show appreciation, to work on your goals. Because we have one chance. Why wouldn't you want to complete your goals? Think about it, bro. Just think about it. Like I told you guys before, it is September. It's crazy how good of a weather it is out here in my country, because it's like it should be cold already. I should be wearing a jacket, but I'm not complaining at all, because this is nice. This is really nice. It feels like summer, okay? But I'm gonna go home really soon. I actually read some book, and I think today there will be a delivery for me. I ordered two new books, because like I told you, I'm a lifelong student, okay? Even though I'm making money from trading, never be satisfied. Be grateful, but don't be satisfied, all right? I'ma go home now. All right, man, now I'm back home. I go lie, I do like them nice morning walks to get my mind right. Because if you think about it, bro, I have some responsibility, because my money, my members are relying on me in the Discord, because I'm live trading every single day. I have to make sure that they're making money. I have to make sure that they're learning. I have to make sure that they're seeing results, which they are. But I just want to be in the best mental state, be in the best possible version of me that I can be. So I'm going on those walks and just get my mental right. And yeah, man, but I'm gonna live trade soon when the 9:30 a.m. bell hits. I mean, I'm gonna start the call at 9:20. I'm gonna start to do the daily buys regardless. But guys, I want to tell you guys something. Remember that there's always gonna be that little bitch at the back of your head, telling you, oh, skip the day, don't go to the gym, oh, don't show up today, just watch some Netflix, don't try to make some money, oh, just be average. You know, there's always gonna be that little bitch behind your ear telling you that shit, and that's just the weak version of you. But I know that kind of sounds kind of corny, but you know it's true. But I know you have dealt with it because I have. But you know, it's just you have to deal with it. Okay, just say fuck that shit. I'm gonna go full force towards my goals. I don't care what the fuck is gonna happen. I don't care what people are gonna think because it's my goals, and you have to have that kind of mentality. Just you know, improving every single aspect, bro. Because you do have to understand, time moves fucking fast. Nobody wants to be average. I mean, only the average people are telling you it's cool to be average because they are average, but nobody wants to be average. So do the work, man. Do the work that is required for you to achieve your goals, okay? Regardless. Now, I'm gonna start the live trading call really soon, so I'll update you guys. All right, guys. Officially, no trades taken today. I mean, it's kind of typical for a Monday sometimes. But yeah, I just closed the stream with the Discord. I mean, it was a super solid session, as you see. If no trades, all good. The value is crazy. Value is crazy. That's the main point. Like literally, the main point of these streams are just to make my members make money while I'm making money, and also turn them independent profitable traders. And like I've seen that with a staggering amount of success, and I'm proud of my students, obviously. Shout out to them. But yeah, in the beginning of the market, it was moving super slow. No price action, no nothing smooth. So you know, but yeah, no trades, but a good live trading session. Okay, but now I'm gonna eat some food, and I will update you guys really soon. All right, man. So let me give you some value. So I genuinely think that the hardest part of trading, and the reason why most of the people lose in these markets, is literally just because most people lack patience. Okay, you saw me right there. I was, you know, trading like maybe 1 hour. You know, I was having a good time listening to music, chatting with my Discord, and you know, sharing value. But I didn't take a trade. I was kind of expecting it because it's Monday price action, but you know, my younger self, even though I'm young, but my younger self was unprofitable in these markets, would have probably taken 5 trades in that single session for no reason. Because if you think about it, bro, when you place a trade, you get so much dopamine, like a dopamine hit. That's why you should, you know, start to improve your other aspects of life, okay? Go to the gym, go fucking, I know some traders meditate. I meditate maybe sometimes, not consistently, but like read some books, do something, bro. And just trade more, let's be honest, trade more, because then you realize that if you're not patient, you're gonna be cooked, okay? You're gonna literally be eaten alive by these markets. And do not come and complain how you get stopped out every single trade because you're not patient. Okay, you saw me right there. It was a whack price action. It was this zigzag, and I was just laughing about it, okay, because it's funny price action. But I was teaching it to my Discord, to my audience in the Discord, and teaching them why that happens, why is it moving like this, why shouldn't we take a trade now, etc. So man, please do yourself a favor and be patient, okay? All right, man. So now I'm gonna go to this nearby park with my friend. I'm gonna do some calisthenics. If you know what is calisthenics, it's like a workout without weights. It's like pull-ups, dips, muscle ups, freaking push-ups, whatever, all these, you know, abs, whatever. I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna lie, I kind of like calisthenics. I've always liked calisthenics. It's like, if I would choose which one would I do for the rest of my life, calisthenics or gym, I would go with calisthenics, you know, because, you know, I'm kind of a beach guy. I like to go to the beach, do some calisthenics, but you know, gym is also really nice. But yeah, I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna go do some calisthenics, and I'll take this camera with me. All right. Bro got molested. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about. Only dunks, man. Only dunks. Alright, man. So that's about that. Now I'm gonna edit this video for you, and that's what's up. So if you made it this far, comment down below what you think about this video, and join the free Discord, get the free course, everything. And as usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.